Hey guys, it's me, back on Essential, and today I'm going to be shooting a tutorial on how to make an easy paper Leatherface mask from the Texas Chain Massacre movie. And yeah, this is going to be a really fun little video because I'm not going to be stressing over the details, as the mask itself is pretty roughed up looking. So I need my pencil. Okay, so first things first, we are going to make a simple little layout. So the plan is to fold this in half. Alright, now the face is pretty much just an oval. Like that. And then we are gonna have some ears poking out like this, right? Oh, actually, I think I'd be better off using my yellow A4 for this one. Alright, let's switch to our yellow A4 real quick. Now I'll quickly sketch this out and cut it in this way. We will have the eyes somewhere up right there, and then I'll show it to you guys so you guys can copy that. Right, so once you have this kind of layout ready, you can move on to the next step, which is going to be the designing step. So basically what I did is make two unequal sized ears, made two unequal sized eyes, cut out a hole for breathing and stuff, and also made this little cut. So it's just meant to be a little lips like this. We probably don't even need that big, so let me just so yeah, here's the lips. I think that's lips, I'm not so sure about that one. That looks like okay, so once you have that, you can move on to like squishing parts of it inwards like this. You just gotta make it look rough. There's no hard and fast rule for this. So even the eyes, make it bend downwards like that. Right, just like that. To make the lips unequal as well, you can cut off this one, make it a bit shorter. And then the ears as well. Just make like creases like this and make it look roughed up. Especially below the, especially at the chin region, like right there. Squish it in. And if you want, you can do some like this. Now this is going to make up most of the design, but it's not going to be everything, so we're definitely going to need to actually draw on it. Right, so far it looks like this. Now next I'm going to color it somewhat, just paint it normally, and I'll see when that's done. Alright, I did some random designs. I don't know, I just let myself loose and then did whatever I wanted to without any strict rules. Alright, so now what I want you to do is make a couple folds here and there. Like these ones. top as well. Just like that. And I think one last fold at the very top. That should be it. That's about it. That's my variation or the version of the Texas Chain Massacre mask. I could do one more little thing. I could add like black eyes. Or actually, maybe I could even add a realistic looking mouth. Okay, those will be the eyes. And of course the eyes are pitch black, so let me just and then do the same for the mouth. Alright, I think that's scary enough. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what I should do next in my next videos, and share my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.